Oppo is gearing up to drop its latest tablet, the Oppo Pad 5, and the leaks are painting a pretty exciting picture. According to tipsters, it could make its debut alongside the Find X9 series in China this October, which honestly makes sense. Oppo loves syncing launches to make an impact. The Pad 5 looks like a solid evolution from the Pad 4 Pro, which came out earlier this year with a Snapdragon 8 Elite chip. But this time, Oppo is going with something different: the powerful MediaTek Dimensity 9400 Plus chipset. Before we go further, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more tech updates like this. It really helps the channel grow. Now, the display is going to be one of the main highlights. Oppo is fitting in a massive 12.1-inch LCD panel with a crisp 3K resolution and a buttery smooth 144Hz refresh rate. That means scrolling, gaming, and watching content should feel super fluid. The screen also supports HDR10 Plus and Dolby Vision, which guarantees vibrant visuals and good visibility even in bright light, reaching up to 600 nits of brightness. For a tablet aimed at entertainment and productivity, that's a pretty compelling combo. Under the hood, as mentioned, the Dimensity 9400 Plus chipset will be handling all the heavy lifting. This chip packs a 3.63 GHz octa-core processor and promises great performance for both multitasking and gaming. It's paired with up to 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB of storage on the top model, though base versions will likely start at 8 GB RAM and 128 GB storage. Sadly, it seems Oppo is skipping memory card support again, which could be a deal breaker for users who like expandable storage. When it comes to design, the Pad 5 is said to weigh around 579 grams, which is fairly balanced for a 12-inch device. The tablet will come in gray, purple, and silver finishes, keeping it sleek and modern without getting too flashy. No word yet on whether Oppo will add any kind of waterproof rating, but leaks suggest it won't have one. Oppo seems to be focusing purely on performance and display quality rather than durability extras. Battery life looks promising though. The Pad 5 will pack a massive 10,165 mAh battery, 10,300 mAh typical, which should easily last through a full day of mixed use. On top of that, it supports 67 V fast charging. That's enough to take you from 0 to a good chunk of power in just a short coffee break. With tablets, charging speed makes a big difference, and Oppo seems to have nailed that part. On the camera front, we're looking at a 13mm rear shooter capable of recording 4K video at 30 frames per second. Obviously, tablets aren't your go-to photography devices, but it's still good enough for casual captures or scanning documents. The 8mm front camera will handle selfies and video calls. Not groundbreaking, but definitely serviceable for day-to-day use and online meetings. Software-wise, the Oppo Pad 5 is expected to ship with Android 15 right out of the box. That's a big plus since it'll come with all the new optimizations and privacy updates from Google. Oppo's ColorOS skin on top of Android usually adds some productivity tweaks, especially for multitasking and stylus support, though there's no confirmation yet about pen compatibility. Still, Android 15 should make the overall experience smoother and more modern compared to its predecessor. Connectivity is where Oppo seems to be keeping things simple. There's Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC, and USB-C 2.0, but no 4G or 5G support. That means it's more of a home or office companion rather than a tablet you can take on cellular data everywhere. There's also no 3.5mm headphone jack or FM radio, so you'll be relying entirely on Bluetooth audio or USB-C accessories. Again, this fits Oppo's recent minimalist design approach. No UNN, necessary extras, just core performance. As for overall impressions, early feedback from leakers suggests Oppo might have nailed the balance between power and value this time. With a 9.1 average editor rating from early test impressions, it's shaping up to be one of the best Android tablets of the year, at least on paper. The performance, display, and battery combination alone give it a strong edge over competitors like the Xiaomi Pad series and even Samsung's mid-range Galaxy Tabs. It's still not officially confirmed, but all signs point toward a premium yet accessible device that delivers top-tier entertainment and smooth everyday performance. If Oppo manages to price it right, the Pad 5 could become a go-to choice for anyone looking for a high-performance Android tablet that doesn't break the bank. We'll be watching closely when it launches later this year. Don't forget to subscribe and like for more in-depth coverage once it's official.